Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how we can enable SVG file upload in your WordPress website. So by default WordPress doesn't allow us to upload SVG file in WordPress. So to show you, let me just upload a SVG file. So click on the SVG file, and as you can see the SVG file is blocked by the WordPress and it is showing this file type is not permitted due to security reasons. So you can easily bypass this by adding a PHP code in your theme editor. So you can enable SVG upload in WordPress using two methods. One is through plugin. So go to plugin and click on add new and search for allow SVG. And click on any of the plugins. So I will prefer this SVG support. So click on install now, and now activate this plugin. Now go to the media library again and let's upload a SVG file now. So this is the SVG file, and as you can see the SVG file is uploaded successfully. Or you can implement SVG upload without using a plugin. So let me just disable the plugin. So this is the SVG support plugin. So I am disabling this plugin now, and now go to the appearance section and click on theme editor. Now you have to select the function.php file, which is the theme functions, and scroll down, and you have to copy the code from here, and I will leave the code link in the description. So paste this code below it and click on update file. Or if you don't want to add this in function.php, then you can use a code snippet plugin like this. Here you can click on add new and you have to paste this code here. So let's check if this is working. So click on add new, and now select a SVG image again, and as you can see we have uploaded SVG image without adding a plugin, and this function file will do the job for you. If you have any doubt regarding upload of SVG file in WordPress, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if this video helped to you, then give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. Thank you.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.